immigration to abuse and the customs and all. I have given my orders, lalo na mga OFW yung mahirap, do not open the bags. No opening of bags anymore in the airport. Paglabas niyan sa aeroplano, may security check yan doon. There's a security machine there. So pag akyat ulit sa rampa niyan, magkukunin mo na doon sa conveyor. What's the... At saka pag may tanim bala, wala naman. Pag may nagtanim bala dyan, I will hold all responsible aviation police. Pag may isa pa dyan, alis kayong lahat. Papalitan ko kayo. Not only the specific policeman, all of you there will be relieved. And so will the, all of you there.